Or should I start sneezing really bad?
Hey there, James. Are you dying? So right now, man, you need to calm down. I'm currently at a sleepover, and so I think my friend is dying. But you know what? That's okay. Oh my gosh!
I said okay if I'm dying.
Oh my gosh! This girl matches her hamster. I want to be her friend.
She has the fattest face I've ever seen.
Actually, she's the cutest. Just kidding, she can't be my friend because they are stranger danger kids. Why is this person on me? Get off me.
I bet it's gonna say no.
Please. Stranger danger. And then you just, what the heck? Okay, first of all, let's take a moment to examine this thing here. So there's like orange demon eyes. What the heck is that? No. I can't be your friend. Flipping stranger. Stranger danger.
It says where?
You need to find your mom. And just tell her that you have been talking. Did I have a flipping mom? Oh, well, that's too bad.
Sad.
Get a life, loser. Just kidding. Just kidding, I don't mean to offend you or anything.
Did you seriously just say really?
Rely.
Oh.
No! Freaking new channel. I'm done. So then, now we're in Jamont. We see this role player llama here. That's pretty fun. And then we see this thing. It's QSeal0819. I really like your look. You should use that look in Best Dress. Starbucks. Oh my goshness! This person likes Starbucks too? Give them a rare. Ew, I don't even want our paper cup. Pretty light. But I'll give them a rare because I'm nice like that. I want their eagle face. Okay, so. I'll give them these boots because they're really ugly, and, yeah. Oh my gosh, the Forgotten Desert! Whatever. parents. Oh my gosh, it's Wisteria Man's plushie! Leave me alone! Why are they doing... Oh my gosh. Guys, what if I get hacked? Oh my gosh, no! I want to be friends with a man lady.
Can't you block them? I forgot you were recording.
Listen, so what I'm gonna do, so this new jammer. Why do these people want to be my friend? Oh, they're all ugly. Just kidding, I'm not that mean. Stop following. Why do these people want to be my friend? Stop following me. Creep. Let's see if they say anything back, and then I'll have their username forever.
Can't you hack them?
No, I'm not gonna hack them.
Why?
Because why would I hack them?
Didn't you get hacked before, woman?
But they didn't hack me. That was some guy who pretended to be F-Man.
F-Man! F-Man. Who names freak?